Hi, let me quickly show you how EduVate CBT works and why institutions are switching to it.
If you go to www.eduvate.com.ng, this is the homepage you'll see. Right here, you can actually watch a short video explaining how everything works before even getting started. EduVate CBT is built to help institutions manage exams digitally, from administrators to teachers to students, all in one system. Now, to get started, the institution registers through the administrator registration page. The administrator simply fills in full name, institution name, email, password. Now this part is very important, the institution name. EduVate CBT works with an institutional subscription model. What that means is simple. Once an institution subscribes, every teacher and student under that institution automatically enjoys that subscription. So you're not paying per student. It's one subscription for the entire institution. After registration, the administrator logs in. If the subscription is not yet active, the system automatically redirects to the subscription page.
Here you can choose Basic Tier,
Standard Tier, Premium Tier. Each plan is designed for different institutional needs. Once payment is completed, access to the full dashboard is unlocked immediately. Now this is the most powerful part, the administrator dashboard. This is the control center of the entire institution. From here, the administrator can create and manage teachers, create and manage students, monitor exams, view results overview, track activity logs, manage subscription. Everything is centralized. And here's the smart part. When the admin creates a teacher or student, they are automatically linked to that institution. No extra configuration needed. Now let's look at it from the teacher's perspective. All users log in from the same login page, but based on the role assigned, they are automatically redirected to their specific dashboard. For teachers, they can create exams, upload questions, schedule exam time, publish results, view analytics, manage students. Now exam creation is extremely simple. It's done through an Excel upload system. Teachers download a ready-made template, fill in their questions, and upload. There's even a guide video explaining exactly how to structure it. Within seconds, the exam is ready. Fast, structured, efficient. Now from the student side, it's even simpler. Students log in and immediately see available exams, scheduled exams, completed exams, their results. The interface is clean and distraction-free. Students simply log in, take their exams, and view their results. All examinations are intelligently monitored through the use of AI technology to help prevent malpractice and ensure examinations integrity. No complications.
So why choose EduVate CBT? Because it offers institutional subscription model, role-based dashboards, Excel-powered exam upload, automated result publishing, real-time analytics, centralized control system.
It's powerful enough for large institutions and simple enough for everyday use.
If you're looking for a smarter way to manage examinations in your institution, this is it.
Visit www.eduvate.com.ng, register your institution. Activate your subscription. Start conducting exams digitally, the smart way. EduVate CBT, empowering digital assessment.